Alright, so this is worth a blizzard video part 2. This is inside my feed room. There's Brimstone. And if we grab this cord and pull, we have the stairs to the hay loft. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to happen. This is inside. Who got snow inside? We do. That's what happens in a barn. Let's see. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Snowstorm all over again. This is my first time up here. I have no idea what we're gonna find. More snow in the attic. Oh. Oh, good news! The snow is only on the side of the barn that doesn't have the hay, but the fans are covered. Look at this. I got 3 inches of snow in my hayloft. See that? It's not okay. Whoa. The extra buckets, they're full. Oh, that means poor Calvin got snowed on. And poor Cash. There's our lumber pile. And look, there's where the snow ends and where the hay begins. Thank goodness. I really didn't want wet hay. Let's take a look. Since we're here, whoa, it's just white. Looking down on that tack room. Let's take a peek out the front. Look at this. Ah. This again falls in the category of not okay. Whoa. Here's a second. There it is. There's the tunnel that Rob cut for me. Can't even see. Oh yeah, there it is. And tree. There's my truck. If we could see around this tree, you could see Rob's car. Actually, you can't see Rob's car. All that's showing is one of the mirrors, side view mirror. There we have it. Alright. Let's take a peek. Say hi to Miles. Her upstairs vantage point. Hi, Miles, to go.